What's your name?
Ariba.
Okay, Ariba. Where is upper beats and lower beats? And what is the value of upper beats
5.
and lower beats value?
1.
And where is answer line? Okay, do one question. Are you ready? 4, 5, -2, -5, 2, 5, -7, 2, 5, -1. What is your answer? Wow, 8 is the good.